So I'm gonna see how close or how near this seagull is gonna let me Hollywood star at Le Newport Beach. What's your name? Gyandesh. Don't fall. Oh, this is baby. Yeah, this is really baby. It's like he's named Gyandesh. Одного Гяндеша отправили. Второй еще остался. Zippo. What's up? Beautiful bird. Oh man. Wow, it's walking on the edge. Zendon. Okay. Flew away. These guys all waiting for freebies. Yeah, it's right there. Oh, look at this bird. The white one. See? They're not afraid.
Con này không biết con gì to đó. Cái này nó không dám như con đó đâu, con nó dài mỏ hơn.
Wow. So close. Not even afraid. Is this bird know you? Is this your friend? Yeah, it's not afraid. Look at it. Wow. Wow. First time she's so close to the people. Usually they're afraid.
Yeah.
Gee, it went to other side. So there is a seagull, and this bird, I have to look, I have to Google what's the name of this cocksucker. Hey, Zippo. What is your name? Let's see how close it can get. No? No? No kidding. Look at it. It's not even afraid. Вообще не боится эта птица. Okay. Hey. Okay, I think this bird is on welfare too. Hold on. Shit. It stole it. Yeah. Find freebie. Okay, another one. Wow. That's why he's not afraid. Yeah, because wow. So all these Asian people, they born to fish. For them, it's a nature. Хочет украсть, смотри. He's gonna steal again something. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, seems like this is a small community, you know, of fishermen. There's rubies, it's very nice here, you know, fast food. They catch your stingrays as well. Everything, whatever you want, man. White shark. There you go. Banana shake. There you go. Okay, they caught it. See, it's beautiful. Wow, nice. How do you call that fish?
Using speaking right.
Was that?
Speaking right.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, they give it away. Nice. I think he's getting something. Yeah, and it's no people here. Very little.